Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix Facebook Live event not showing. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Facebook application and then tap on your profile. Okay, and then click on your profile again and let's check if I have that feature. So as you can see, I don't have that here, so I will be going to fix that. Okay, so let's go back. So now to begin, just click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen and then scroll down until you see the help and support and then just click on the report a problem. Okay, and then under the help and support, so just click on it and then click on the continue to report a problem. And then just wait for a few seconds and then click on include in report. Okay, and then select the events. And then you will then just have to describe the issue. So you can also copy this one. And then right after that, just click on the send icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then you will then just have to wait for a few hours or a day after the Facebook Help Center will fix your problem. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.